Yo, what's up,
I
guys?
thought you would landed at it.
Kyle, shut up.
Hold on, I just grew
If you landed at it, why did
Today
you
we're playing some
fall?
extreme car.
Because you got a hill.
Duh. Chris, literally, just shoot the damn thing.
Let's go.
Oh my god, Chris, you can't just build up there. Build a ramp.
Okay. Oh my god, shut up.
Oh my god, Chris, you are so
Watch how
retarded.
fast this car can go. Can't
That's
really
when you
that
go
fast
down and you
right
grab a tree and you break it.
Does he even have a gun yet?
No, he doesn't.
Wow. How do you not have a gun yet, but you're still going for a freaking llama? You know it's not
Chris,
gonna
just
give
go
you
to the
weapons.
crater and get a weapon.
No, that's what people are. Man,
And grab a crack rock.
Wow, leaves the ammo. Drop the bird.
Might get a new car today. So,
Watch somebody dead in llama.
Huh? I killed a guy and his friend showed up.
Why won't you just break it at this point? You've already damaged it.
Because he's retarded.
it was
yeah,
trash.
Use up your shields, dumb shit.
I literally already had a kill. The guy was all the way down at the other end of the map. Like, look. Hey, let me see him. The guy was down there at the corner, like where the L is. That's where the guy landed or something like
Holy
Here, move your marker.
crap.
that. It doesn't let you. At least I got
What
the
the
duck
heck
there.
just happened?
Yeah, I got one of the ducks. There's two that spawn over there. Chris, you have 500 wood.
I need more!
Oh
I don't
God,
have
that's
enough
retarded.
wood! My dick needs to be hard.
Shut up. Without you, Monica.
Chris, I really don't care.
I really just want to get 40.
Just build a straight line across, because if you die, it honestly wouldn't be that bad. It honestly wouldn't be the worst thing. You should have just built with. You should just build across. Well, when you die, we're gonna go another match, and I'm not dead. I have to wait for you. Why the hell does this keep falling out?
Because Gavin's cord is all weird.
It's actually my cord.
It's all worn out. Why does he even still has that? Why does he
Why are
even
you
still
going
have
to
that
fatal?
burst? Chris, why do you still have that burst if you have a semi-auto AR? Well, full auto.
Chris, there's guys over there. You didn't just hear a guy using a heavy shotgun. In fatal, there is a guy using a heavy shotgun.
Oh, time to run away like a coward.
Yep, you literally just go fuck that shit.
Dude, a heavy shotgun's not even gonna fucking kill you. Like, you're so scared of it.
Chris,
Why?
you have wood. Use it.
No, I don't want to waste it. See, I wasted
Did
them.
you really say why wood?
Oh, Chris, a pistol. You can get your pistol damage done.
I hate this
Chris,
game.
just hurry up and die.
I hate this game. Great. This is good.
Yeah, let's say why not just leave the match. You gotta leave the lobby, too.
Wow.
I don't know, Chris. I left.
You can't complete all these free challenges if you get soft.
Wait, no, I think the new gun's oh.
If it doesn't, then that means that you can get the frickin' challenge to work then. And then you can complete
Okay,
all
Chris,
of
I'm gonna go solo. Cause I'm gonna land tilted.
I died!
Yes, Chris, I know, cause everyone's on tilted right now.
Did he, Kyle, your matchmaking canceled?
I know, cause I had it set for duos.
Hey, Mama told me, hey, that's it. 13, 5, 6, call t-shirt.
If I outlive at least 13 people, I level up again and get to level 34. So you can earn 100 V-Bucks.
How does it work?
There shall be no Season 2 players in this lobby.
You are the only Season 2 player, so shut up.
Remember, no pomegranates.
Ow.
No. No pomegranate. No. No pomegranate. Let me, that's gotta go catch a plane. Where's mommy? I can't find mommy.
Oh my god, the whole lobby's going tilted.
Oh wow, welcome back to Season 3.
T-shirt.
No more like Season 2 halfway through.
The maps didn't come in until Season 3. With Tilted and Haunted and shit. Oh my god, there is no gun!
Oh, stop.
There's no gun here, I'm done. Guys already got a rocket launcher! Oh, no he doesn't.
So guys, I'll see you tomorrow on that next video. See you. Bye. See you.